Okay, today we're going to learn how to make a paper airplane and find out why it flies and why it lands. Okay, the first thing we need to do is fold the paper lengthwise in the middle. Get a nice good crease in the middle, like so. Okay, next we want to put it up with the crease on top and make a triangle at the very top, like so. 1 and 2. Okay, next we want to flip it on its side and we're going to make the wings. So we want to get the crease all the way to the tip, like so. Get that side, turn it to the other side, crease all the way up to the tip, like so. There we go. And then we'll do one final step. There's another crease to the very tip, to the whole length of the paper. Flip it over to this side. Another flip here. And we should have a good, nice paper airplane. Okay, now here we have the finished product, our paper airplane. Works pretty good. But we need to first talk about what allows a paper airplane to stay up and glide, and what brings a paper airplane back down. All right, so there's forces here at work, and a force is something that pushes or pulls on something. All right, so there's 4 forces. 2 to keep the paper airplane up, and 2 to bring it back down. Okay, the first force we're going to talk about is thrust. This is the motion that brings it forward. So we're going to use our hand to thrust it up into the air, and that's going to keep the paper airplane gliding. Okay, the other force is called lift. And so we give it thrust, and then we have the air come on top, the air come on bottom, and that will give it lift. All right, so there's 2 forces that keep it up. We have our thrust, which is that motion forward from our hand, and we have lift. All right, and that's the air coming on the bottom and the top to keep it up. Now there's 2 forces that are going to bring it back down. Okay, one is called drag, and that's the air that's going to bring it down. The air causes drag to bring it down. So air also keeps it up, but then air also brings it back down. And finally, we have the weight of the paper airplane. Okay, so the weight is the force of Earth's gravity bringing it back down. Okay, so gravity is going to bring it back down. All right, next, let's give it a throw and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. We're going to give it a try.